Working on a rock chip. So she got 2026 Nissan Rogue. Let's go. And she got a chip here by rock. We gotta fix that. Finish the first step. Second thing, after we drill the hole, we can go like that. We align it wherever we want, and we go like that. Here we go. We know now it's in the middle, as you see. And we just tighten this up a little bit. Just tight, not too tight. About like 7 drops at most. And then we go like this, and then we do a bow. Push the glue in, and we push it in like this. So after we drilled the hole, inject it, did the vacuum, took the air out, we're gonna wipe it off. As you see, you can see it's almost gone. Then we add, not that thing, like a gremlin. Alright, here we go. Then we add this. This is the pit for the. So this will block the crack and anything cracks around it. So now we leave it in the sun for another like 5 minutes, and then we'll be all right.